Senato, respectfully appearing for the defendant Carlos Santana and the immediate family, case number 11-224. Your Honor, I would like to manifest that the oppositor or intervenor is present in today's case, the hearing. Thus, I respectfully move for the presentation of evidence ex parte and the appointment of the clerk of court as the commissioner to receive petitioner's witness of evidence. Your Honor, I am ready for the presentation in marking of our documents to establish jurisdictional facts, please. Are the defendants party ready?
Ready, Your Honor.
Proceed. Your Honor, I would like to call on the stand our first witness, Ms. Ruth Grace Bugid, who have seen the suspects flee from the crime scene. Proceed. Ms. Bugid, how long have you been living in Maupan, Ilisan, Balisan?
20 years.
Can you say that you have a relationship or a form of closeness to the victim?
Yes. 15 years na po kami magkakasama. And I can say, I know him.
It must have been nerve-wracking to witness such crime on your own. But for the sake of justice and in the presence of this court, would you please narrate what you witnessed from the time the crime happened?
Umaga po yun. Nagwawalis po ako nung bigla akong may narinig na putok ng baril. Pagkatapos nun, may biglang tumakbong dalawang lalaki sa harap ko po. Tapos, binangga po ako ng dalawa. Nakita ko po ang kanilang mga mukha. Pagkatapos nun, pinuntahan ko po ang aking kapitbahay at nakita ko po siyang duguan.
Sa harap ng hukumang ito, maaari ka bang tumayo at ituro mo kung sino ang iyong sinasabi?
Sila po.
That is all, Your Honor. Proceed. Your Honor, we will call to stand our second witness, medical legal expert, forensic pathologist, Dr. Ateneo Quiapo. Have you done treating these samples?
Our laboratory was done treating the samples and is now ready for presentation inside of this court.
The blood samples was taken under preliminary examination under the Byzantine test. The sample radiates an intense blue color, indicating a positive result that the stain contains blood and no other substances are present.
Your Honor, confirmatory examination under Takayama or hemochromogen crystal test, it forms a large rhombic crystals and some pink in color, indicating a positive result that the sample is a true blood. Under precipitin examination, it is a positive that the stain or blood sample is of human origin. Last exam conducted
Is the blood grouping test, wherein the sample from this set of keys is compared to the actual blood taken from the victim, and it shows a type B and a 99.9% match.
Your Honor, in this series of tests renders an absolute fact that the blood sample from the set of keys is true blood and is from the victim with an undisputed of 99.9% match. The next evidence tested was saliva sample extracted from the mask taken from the crime scene. Under genotyping, I have extracted the DNA and compared it to our known samples, sample A, B, and C. After comparing, yields 0% match to sample A, 0% match to sample B, but 100% match to sample C. Sample A was extracted from the victim. Sample B was extracted from Mr. Tolute, and sample C is extracted from Mr. Alipas, the two defendants of this case. Sample C was taken from suspect Adel Alipas, indicating the fact and truth that the saliva extracted from the basket is from the same suspect. A shell of caliber 45 was also recovered from the crime scene, yielding a connection to the gunshot wound that caused mortal injury to the victim. At the same time, a caliber 45 gun was recovered from the suspect's residence, and under examination of introducing a reagent, phenethylamine, blue color appeared on the muzzle of the gun, indicating the presence of nitrate, and a fact that the gun was just recently fired. Furthermore, defendant Mr. Rodel Olivas agrees to the conduct of paraffin test and resulted positive to the presence of nitrate to his dorsal hand, radiating a color blue specks. In conclusion, a strong fact was established the connection of the test conducted to the murder weapon and suspect together with the gunshot wound observed to the victim during the autopsy. The last evidence recovered was a hat, and I have extracted a hair sample. It is a real straight hair in fine texture, has intricate patterns indicating a human origin. The DNA extracted was a 99.9% match to the known sample that we obtained from defendant Mr. Polito. In conclusion, it is undeniable that the hair from the evidence was from Mr. Polito, the defendant.
Your Honor, we have presented undisputed evidences with relevance to this case. The evidence collected was proper, legal, and well handled, promising the integrity and its relevance for the justice of the victim and the conviction of the perpetrator. Your Honor, I rest my case. Witness, there is step down.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I humbly request for cross-examination of the evidence.
Proceed.
The court will review the evidence and render a verdict accordingly. The court proceeding is adjourned.